5 games, each game up to 11 points. Two sound. If he wins, then it'll be Paul Drinkle back on the position. Both well, I think.
6-5.
Good long push in there. It's always good to use that one. Is he going to return me short? Is he going to...
Yeah, plenty of variation. You can, yeah, and a bit of bad luck in there. That's a great fast serve. Little kicker, so the ball curved and then stopped curving once it hit the table. Spin. And it kicks off the table in different ways.
6-8.
Run for the Frenchman here.
Led. 6-8.
Reversed pendulum from the body. Is he going to do the same again? Could be.
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
Led.
Yeah.
6-8.
Moved across a bit to...
Let serves.
Oh, it popped a bit long.
9.
But you could see that he was confident, he knew what to do, and exploded to create that. Oh, that's a corker. That reminds me of Paul Drinkle.
Straight backhand down the line.
So calm, doesn't he, after doing something so dynamic with his body.
10-7.
And also Bardet, who's not playing. All from very, very different places. France, big country, and none of them come from near
First
each other.
game, 11
We couldn't call him a coach officially, but actually you can imagine that the benefits that the para players are getting from training with David, so great contribution, and he's saying it's actually helping his own game as well. Okay, he's 2 points up. High thrown serve from Jules. You can see how fast. What a dangerous player this Frenchman is.
3-1.
So
Momentum going.
this game.
7-5.
Got to put your opponent under pressure. Take the initiative.
7-6.
So just not sure whether to play over the table or away from the table.
And there's a big loop. I would say that's an edge, not a side, Don.
Yeah, he played that from within the table, didn't he, when he hit it?
I think they're giving it to Roland. Because he was on... Oh no, it's 8-6 now. Yeah.
7-8.
Okay, so it was, yeah, so it wouldn't...
The edge and the side. Did it hit
Almost.
the top of the table, or was it just down?
Let.
Yeah.
7-8.
If it's played from outside for the umpires to tell. Do we need VAR?
8. Oh.
It would be so popular.
9-8.
Pendulum serve. Swinging away from...
9.
Second game, 2 big points coming up.
9-10.
Jarvis. And he's got to be the hero. There's no one else to be. Oh,
10.
what a beautiful counter-top spin. See the backswing he managed to get it and the follow through, controlled it even off balance. That's super. First player to get a 2-point lead takes the game. That was a nice top spin from Roland.
Second game point.
See the focus on David's face.
10-11.
Calm. I know he gets annoyed from time to time, but look at that. Keeping his body
11.
nice and
Thing, of course, as you can see, first player to 2 clear points.
12, 11.
Right in the middle of the table. Such an important target into the body. Let's see that again. Here we go. And you can see there, David, not sure whether to play backhand, forehand.
game point to roll on. This is dangerous for England.
To serve.
So a mountain climb now for David Macbeth. A mountain to climb for the England team.
Unbelievable.
Not even a smile from Roland.
No, business as usual.
2.
Pull it around.
3. Love.
2 makes the strong start. He did in the first, he did in the second.
Yeah.
1, 3.
Unlucky, David.
Let. 1, 3.
Well, I said as in pro, he puts it together in a match as well. That's a great return of serve. Unlucky off the net, but he's still in there.
2, 3.
Oh, just off the end. Long serve again. Forehand. No, now he's gone to the backhand.
4, 2.
And at the third time of asking, can David hold on to an early lead? This one's up. Will it come back? It's on. And again. And he's attacking back. That was unbelievable. Or so everybody else thought, except him. So he's stuck away from the table. That wasn't... But that retrieving, topspin retrieving.
What a great return.
Again in
opponent's body. You've got a good chance.
Yeah, Jules is an expert at this. And again with the serve. But there, they take one of the French players. Nearly.
Yeah.
Because they're happy with what they've done. And I think that was an example there. David did the right thing. He looked to be really...
7-5.
He still had 2 hours of really good entertainment.
Fantastic, isn't it? I mean, really great. That's so fast.
And it's not over yet. They're fighting all the way.
And England are very good. All the England players are so good at that backhand switch down the line from the opponent's forehand. But Paul did it several times. Tom did it several times. David also doing it. Stay in there, David. He's got the advantage. And that was rock fast. The ball was on the floor well before it got to Jules Rolland in the end. Good wide play from David. And that block from the middle gave him a chance.
That's a great shot. Put that away really well.
Almost tennis style. Can he take the possibility? Short play. Oh, put that.
The English player, 8 points apiece.
That's a great return of serve from a victory to France.
8-10.
He's got to bring it out from nowhere. Well, match point. Point of the evening. Keep going, David.
10.
France, but. Good flick. Good counter top spin. Under pressure, Don. 10-all. Beautiful play, David. A little bit lucky off the net on the earlier ball. Anyone's in this game. Fast serve again. David was
10,
there, but the
11.
second one. It's got to be good.
Could be good training.
Is he still there? Oh, that's so wide. And this court's a 14 metres plus 7. That's huge. Well done, David. Whatever happens, David's been fantastic and such a fighter.
11-12.
David's in. Good return. Oh! The floor! 12-all. Very high thrown serve. Lovely return from David. Is that called over? No chance, but gives game point to Macbeth.
13.
So David unable to put away his foot.
13-14.
Englishman in red to serve. Up against it. Oh, it's hit the top of the net and it's gone off. Jules Rolland takes it and France take the evening.